Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Just need to update you guys because we reached target already. Yeah, after my last video, here again evidence that an ascending wedge does not always need to break out to the downside. In this case, the Elliott waves did win. That was already yesterday. Yeah, the focus was on higher after we reversed out of my reversal area here. We had a series of 1-2 setups here, which can be a very bullish setup. The chart listened, ADA listened to my forecast. We moved up in what I said yesterday would be a wave 3. We reached target here at about 54 cents was the target. We reached 53.9. We came down in a wave 4 retracement, did not cut into wave 1, which is fine. And then we moved up in a wave 5, in a yellow wave 3. Yeah, earlier today I defined the target for this one between 54.4 cents and 56 cents. We reached that now as well, as expected. We see a rejection in this target range at 54.9 cents. That's the previous wave 1 high here, which is fine, which was the ideal area to get to, basically within this green area. We've seen a reaction already to the downside. At the moment, there is no guarantee that wave 3 is over. At the moment, I think we can assume that because a wave 4 retracement would now be due and because we have reached target. But really, you won't really know until you retrace a little bit deeper. And you can see we've nearly reached it anyway, that area. It's only a very shallow retracement we can expect here into the region between 53.9 cents and 52.9 cents with yeah, basically the 53.9 cent retracement being the absolute minimum it would need to do. This is again based on Fibonacci retracements. Yeah, when we retrace from a wave 3 in a wave 4, a wave 4 would usually not retrace more than 50%, which means this is the 52.8 cent level here. The ideal retracement in this green area is 53.4, and 54 is the yeah, the 23.6% fib level, the minimum. I would not short this at the moment personally because we are in an uptrend. Shorting in an uptrend, not necessarily a good idea in my opinion. Also, because in uptrends, you know, the moves up, they can be unpredictable, they can overshoot targets and so on. And also the risk to reward is very low here, very bad. You know, we're nearly already, we are nearly in the green area anyway. So shorting a wave 4, yeah, often not a good idea because the wave 4 is normally a shallow retracement. Yeah? Can also be a triangle, which will make it more difficult. And then after the wave 4, we would push higher in a wave 5 to reach the wave 3 green, to reach the wave 3 in white. We can also calculate a target for that, but this would need to be an extended wave 3 based on all these extensions that we've seen here so far. Yeah, I'd probably be looking for that wave 3 here at the area between ideally between, I would say that the 200% extension 55.6 cents and the 2.618 at 57.2. But first we would ideally want to know where do we get to in wave 4, and then we can be recalculating this wave, the target here for wave 3 in white. That's pretty much where we are here with ADA. I mean, it's quite impressive and quite good actually what we've done here so far. I think we hit all of these areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reversal areas. There was only one area where we did go through, and that was here. Yeah, where I expected the reversal initially a little bit earlier to the upside. We then eventually came down a little bit lower. But all the other target areas here, the reversal areas, were all reached, which is really, really good. Because why is that good? First of all, it's good for you if you follow anything of this. Yeah, and maybe you come to, I never tell you to buy or sell anything, but if this helps you, it's amazing. And also, it means that we are riding the right wave, probably, yeah, which gives confidence for the overall wave count. To be fair, in addition to that, it is really, really good, and the Elliott waves, I think, prove to be very, very helpful. I mean, normally you can say if you ride 70% of the time, even with Elliott waves, you're good. But here, I mean, I know that we only missed one target area. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, from 7 areas we hit 6. That is pretty good, just for ADA at the moment. So it's looking good, yeah. And that just gives confidence for the further story that is evolving here for the further targets and wave counts. So as long as overall here, this this low is holding at 48.9 cents. We can now focus on higher. This is the important swing low here. If we lose here support levels here, it's not a disaster. Then we just have to change the lower level wave count. But if we lose the 48.9 cent level, then it could really be that we drop down to 45. And if we lose that one, then we need to seriously question this entire bullish scenario here. But for now, it's working out. And as long as these conditions are fulfilled, we're going to push higher. All right, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and yeah, also maybe check out the channel membership to support the channel and to get additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.